Hey everybody, it's me Awista Anwar, and in today's lesson we will do the activities of unit number 7, What I Like to Play. Sports and Games, Grade 3, English based on the One Nation, One Curriculum activities. So let's start. Unit number 7, What I Like to Play. Oral communication, learning the sounds. Some words are given under which begin with consonant clusters S, P, and CR. Practice them aloud for better pronunciation. SP sounds and CR. SP. Spa, space, spade, spaghetti, sparrow, special, speech, spell, spend, spice, spider. CR sounds. Cross, crossing, crow, crowd, crown, crucial, cruel, crumb, cry, crisp, crust. Ask your class fellows, who wants to play tug of war? We need to choose captains for the two teams. Who wants to become a referee? We want three judges. Raise up your hands. We take permission from the teacher for rope, a match during sports period. Read aloud. Sing the given song. I'm bouncing, bouncing everywhere. I bounce and I bounce into the air. I'm bouncing, bouncing like a ball. I bounce and I bounce, then I fall. Learning to speak. Synonyms for sports, game, fun, activity, entertainment, adventure. Some statements are given under express your opinion in favor or against. Statements. Schools should make sports compulsory for primary section. Yes, everybody wants to play. We need coaches to learn games. Games are fun, but a lot of time is wasted. No, it isn't a waste of time, but a lot of skill and other qualities are learned from games. Field games are better than video games. Yes, they are. Field games are physical natured, whereas video games are mental and only played at one place. Hockey is more popular than cricket. Both are interesting games. Hockey is for less time, but cricket is very time consuming and interesting. Local games should be played in school more often. Yes, local games should be encouraged and played in schools. Tug of war. Lead and follow to arrange a game among the students of your class. Some expressions are given to help you. Divide the class into two groups under the supervision of your teacher. Those who don't want to play can become the referee and the judges. Take permission for the rope to play during your sports time. So that's it for today's lesson, everybody. I hope you learned something new today. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Computer Education Pakistan. Like this video and also make sure to share it with your friends and family. Bye. See you in the next video.